Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have an interesting coding problem to tackle, converting a given string into a zigzag pattern with a specified number of rows. This is number 6 on LeetCode. It's called Zigzag conversion, and today we'll be solving it in C++. Our solution uses a vector of strings to efficiently construct the pattern. Now before we get into the code, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. Alright, so we're given a class named solution that contains a method called convert, which converts the input string s into the zigzag pattern with the specified number of rows numRows. To handle the special case when numRows is 1, we have a quick check at the beginning. If numRows is 1, we simply return the original string s, as it won't have any zigzag pattern. Next, we create a vector of strings called rows. The size of the vector is determined by the minimum number of numRows and the length of the input string s. Each element in this vector will represent a row in the zigzag pattern. We initialize cur_row to keep track of the current row we're processing and going down as a flag to indicate whether we're moving up or down in the zigzag pattern. We then iterate through each character c in the input string s. Inside the loop, we append the current character c to the corresponding row in the rows vector using the cur_row index. This way, we build the zigzag pattern row by row. We check if cur_row is at the topmost row, index 0, or the bottommost row, index numRows minus 1. If so, we need to change the direction of the movement by updating the going down flag using the logical not operator. After processing each character, we increment or decrement cur_row based on the value of the going down flag using the ternary operator, efficiently moving us up or down in the zigzag pattern. Once we've constructed the zigzag pattern, we connectate the strings in each row to form the final converted string, stored in the variable ret. We then return the converted string, which is our answer. So now let's go ahead and run it. Right, and that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment if you have any questions, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.